Okay, so first we have played this game before, and second, I lied because I didn't know that I could hear his voice. Goodbye. Oh, that's a zombie.
All right.
Wait, is there anything in these drawers, bro?
Yo, bro.
Oh,
Hey, Siggy Sig. Hey, come here. Put that in your mouth. Put that in your mouth. Oh, you ready?
Smoking is bad.
But smoking isn't bad. It's the apocalypse.
Me got a frying pan because ducky.
Think about how long it's been since I took a bath.
Let me have the frying pan.
No.
Yo, can we turn on the sink? Ooh, what's in here?
Can turn on the stove.
In the
Keys!
fridge.
Ooh.
I guess that made sense after.
Hey, you want a free whatever this is called? You want a free?
Oh. Door. Oh. Hi, Fred! Wait.
Hey, Fred.
Oh, I just guessed his name.
Wow.
Ooh.
Never tired of being
Oh, we
tired
cooking
of
up on the grill. The sausage physics. What the I was gonna pour
Not
some
the worst
alcohol.
I've seen, but definitely not the best.
Ha.
I get
One.
one. Give me
Two.
a gun. Oh, you just don't.
Sorry.
Yeah, hold on. Give me.
Yeah, you
yeah.
get two. You get two, and then I have these.
What's that, Fred?
I got
Hit
21.
those targets from here?
Here, I got the other stuff.
Just watch me.
Okay. I got that very last. And we go
Yippee.
up and down, up and down. Open a bottle. Wow. Bum. Oh, also I figured out, right?
Zombies.
Yo, I also figured something out, right? I can download 10-minute videos now. It doesn't
didn't
stop
work.
at 6 anymore.
what?
It doesn't stop at
Still
6 anymore.
Still stuck with
Oh.
you.
Dang, that. What up,
I
yo?
got a gun.
Can I be Patrick Mahomes?
Maybe it's time I tried the direct
No,
approach.
I want to be
huh?
Patrick. Patty Mahomes.
Oh, sure, Fred.
Oh, I hit him.
Walk
Oh, hold up.
away.
Hold
Where
up,
they
Patty
going at, bro?
Patty
Where they
Mahomes.
going at?
Yo, what the? That's a plane.
That's the plane.
Helicopter. Don't shot.
Holy shit.
Ayo. I need you back.
Get down here!
Ooh, yachts.
Yeah.
Get over there!
You think there's ammo in vehicles?
Probably.
You think we can, like, scavenge for ammo?
Let's try it.
Not! We're Costco guys! Double chunk chocolate cookie! So much to do, so much to see when you're living in the backseat. Oh, you want to know, but you don't know. Oh. Hey, yeah, yo, Rockstar, get your game on. Hey now, no, my gun. Hey now, yo, no star, get your game on. Hey, these ladies have fun when you're shooting stars.
Bro, come here.
Celebrity feet pics.
W.
I'm gonna punch him. Hold up. Oh.
Oh,
Why are we trying this? Oh wait, beer. Bro, we could have saved ammo. We could have saved ammo. You can have these. I'm at 50, so you can have those. What are you at?
I'm at 59.
Ooh, this dude look fancy. Wait, hold up. You think I could put the hat on?
Give me that. Give me.
Oh, wait, is it on? Oh my god! I love this.
Hey, come here.
When you're shooting stars, oh. Hey now, you're not a star. Get your game on. Hey now, a rock star. Get your game on. Show, yay! Oh, the ladies have fun when your shooting starts going. Oh, oh.
I think Broski's like
Zombie. Yep.
Getting up to that chopper, Fred. You better.
Hey, Hans, let them all explode. Yeah, take
Explode.
it. Let them all explode. They all go towards there and then it explodes. See, they won't try to kill you. They're so focused on that.
Yo, what the? Hey, what's up, little lady?
I'm saving.
How'd you miss?
Leave them alone.
I don't
up
know
there.
how I just missed that.
Wait, hold on, do I have glasses on?
Don't worry.
Do you?
Your new
Oh
best
yeah, you
friend's
have
on his
glasses on.
way. That's me.
Wait, it's me in real life.
I'm almost there.
Oh my.
Hold on.
We don't want the viewers knowing. Good
Try to
stuff.
slow me down, Fred.
Average talk in Great Britain. Average
Oh,
talk
this
in
is
Great
my
Britain.
weakness right here. Tell them
What?
this.
The average talk in Great Britain. This is the average talk.
Contact. Here I come.
Can I? You think I can?
Okay.
What the?
Come here, come here.
No,
Wait,
Freddy.
insert.
Oh,
Fucking asshole. Don't. No. Fuck.
dang.
No.
I just want one human being,
Yo, this is.
Fred.
If anybody
too much
plays
to ask for?
plays the game that I'm
Just
about
one
to say,
fucking human
this is
being.
a lot
One.
like
Too much to ask for, you fucking selfish fuck, Freddy.
Whoa, dang.
this is a lot like Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. If any of you have ever played that,
I didn't say it has a little bit of cussing, so
Look,
that's
yeah.
one thing.
it does cuss a little.
Believe me when I tell you, gentlemen,
Can I chop off his head?
solve this
Wah!
problem.
Watch out! Watch out!
We can make
Ha
a
ha.
serum. But we
make-
can't do it
We can make a
Serum?
serum.
Patient? Who's patient zero?
the process.
What?
No way. They're trying to make a vaccine.
Trying to make the vaccine. Oh, all these people are still gonna just rot here because they're corpses. But
Holy shit, Fred.
there's not gonna be any more.
Buddies are looking for Freddy #1, patient 0.
I chopped off his foot.
Wait. If I find patient 0,
Give me that, give me that, give me that.
No,
they'll find
bro,
me.
look at me. I'm from Top Gun Maverick, little bro. Oh my god.
Put it on the dog. Put it on the dog.
Can I put a hat?
I won't bite if
There's
you don't.
this. There's like white. Oh my god.
How about this? You want to play
There's
fetch?
white.
Hey there.
There's white, and you can
Hey.
put the hat on the dog.
Hey, little man.
Little buddy.
Wow,
Little buddy.
I didn't know you were back
Wait.
there.
Look at his ears.
What can I tempt you out?
Look at his ears under the hat. Oh, look at the ball. He's staring at me. Hey, you see that ball? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, boy.
You
Go
want
get
that
it.
cheese full?
Go get. You want that cheese in full? Hey,
Dang,
buddy.
Busky.
You want that cheese
He
in?
missed.
Hey, buddy.
Fetch.
You want a cheese in food?
Word, buddy.
He just bounced it.
That's a good name.
What?
You like it?
Where's the ball?
Buddy, it is.
Where is it?
Diggity
Bro, you
dog.
just lost
I
it.
threw it.
You just lost it.
Friend
You
there.
just lost.
He was looking
You
for
threw it.
patient 0, so I
Okay,
figure.
this doesn't
Wait,
make
I can
sense.
play fetch with the zombie again. Wait, say that, say
Can you?
that.
Yeah, and that, my
They can't hear
Can
me.
you?
So.
is how we get rescued.
Oh.
Go get it, boy. You want to come? You want to go?
He just played fetch.
Knew you were gonna.
Throw it, throw it, throw it.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go, buddy.
Oh my-
Come on. Good dog, buddy.
Come on, sit. Oh, go get the head.
He played fetch with a full of burgers.
Way to go, buddy.
Throw it over there, throw it over there.
Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Oh,
What the shit?
Yeah, buddy. I'm glad you're on my side.
I'm an aviator.
Holy shit.
I'm an
No,
aviator.
bro's Amelia Earhart. We couldn't ignore the fact that he's just ripping off his head.
The.
Get Buddy to get him.
Wait, Biggie
We can
order?
get Buddy to get him.
Oh. The ladies have fun when you're shooting stars and you know. Hey now, yo, Nesta. Are you eating a fellow zombie? That's not okay.
Hey, Hudson.
For liberty!
Putty.
For liberty!
Liberty!
For liberty!
For liberty!
Justice! Batman! I'm the Dark Knight!
Little buddy?
What if Batman was in a zombie apocalypse? Ooh. I'm gonna cut the video here because I don't know how much longer I have. Okay, everyone, we are near the end of
What did you say? What did you say?
At least I think. This is chapter 2, so that means that was like 1.5. So we're nearing the half, I think.
That has a
Open!
really pissy
Open
aftertaste.
sesame!
Yeah.
Open
But what
sesame.
did it say while we're in the darkness?
It said penis.
That's my
It said
question.
penis. Like
Just find patience
smalliness.
Wow.
You're not just a good dog.
Where'd you
Cute
find
boy.
that gun at, bro?
You're a nice
What
dog.
You
gun?
found a gun or like 2
I
guns?
did. I found one.
Yeah, didn't you?
I found this one right there.
You smoke?
Oh my god! Holy!
Am I disturbing you?
Get Butto.
Oh,
Where's Butto? Get Buddy to get that one while we. Oh yeah.
eh, sexy lady. Whoa. No more kneecaps. Eh, sexy lady. Eh. Whoop them Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Whoop. Whoop them Gangnam Style.
Shut the drum.
Yeah, I know I look cool, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
Trust me.
Thanks.
This is a terrible idea. Oh, this is my
Come here.
kind of garbage. This right here.
What you clawing at? Oh, is that a
Hey,
Boeing
buddy,
747?
bark twice if you know how to fly a 737. Shit.
Oh, it's a 737.
A whole lot of Freds.
Oh. How do we get this going?
Step on it, Freddy.
We're moving.
Oh, it just started.
Hey,
No.
what's that, boy? You want me to come up there and see what's blocking us?
Sigma. Why come I'm always on this side?
That's not
No,
good.
my leg. Where's my leg? My leg.
Oh, it's over there.
Nothing to see
No.
here, Freddy's.
Crowd
Go
control.
about your business. Hey, make sure you drive straight, Fred. No falling asleep with the wheel down there.
Wait, Fred is controlling us?
Hey, don't mind
So,
us, Freddy's. Just
All
passing
of these
through.
people that we're running over are controlling this machine.
You doing okay, buddy?
Bro, you're like jittering, bro. You're like,
You too,
I'm,
bro?
I'm an aviator. Bro is on something. He said, Oh,
But why do we have
son.
new ammo? Say that.
Yeah, we have like new ammo, bro. We have pistol. Is that like assault rifle?
buddy.
That looks kind of high caliber. This checkpoint reached. I think. How about we reach one more checkpoint and call it the end of the video? How about that? Yeah. And then.
Are you recording right now?
Okay, buddy. Zero should
Hi,
be at the
guys.
gas station, but we gotta go through here.
Hi guys.
Buddy?
Let Buddy get them. They don't try to kill him.
So long, Fred!
They just kind of sit there. Let Buddy kill them. Don't waste ammo.
But
Like, see that zombie, how slow it is. Like,
bye.
Who's my best boy?
I think there's
He's
gonna
dead.
be just a big wave.
Miss. Airport security. Airport security. Airport security. You're harassing a white male.
Sick 'em, boy.
Airport.
Let's go to the bathrooms.
Airport
Let's go to the
security.
bathroom.
Airport
Let's
security.
go to the bathroom.
Airport
Why would we
security.
go to the
You're
girls'-
carrying
Well,
too
how
many
could-
pounds
how
in your
could we go into the
backpack.
girls' bathroom, bro?
That's kind of
Why would we
saucy.
go into the girls' bathroom?
Ooh, bathroom. Oh, holy. Ooh, janitor. Creepy janitor.
Why do you stink so bad? Ooh. I see. Heavy duty.
Why can I not reload? How low am I? Oh, my 40 health. I need to find some food.
I'm at 60.
Why bother wiping, right, Fred? It's not like anyone's checking.
Wait. So, when you're in the zombie apocalypse, you're just allowed to let it crust?
Dang.
That's kind of cool.
your bubble, Fred.
Come here. Let's find some supplies in here. Or see if they can. Sick'em boy.
Get him.
Bruh.
Boy, get him. Boy, get him. Hey, to your right.
That's why I tried to get Buddy to get him, but then of course.
Sorry.
You're not sorry.
What a good dog.
Wonder if I can save these.
I think we can get in every single one of these stores. But I don't think we want to.
Bro. Come here. Food.
Food? Oh, feed me. Yay, 100.
Go,
Buddy get that one.
Good sir.
Buddy, you just killed it.
Good sir.
Situation. Good dog.
There were multiple on me.
Stay
Oh.
close, buddy. I got
Yo, bro,
you.
they're beating doors.
They're beating doors.
Yo, that
Come on, here,
lock
let's
is
check in
like
here. Not locked.
that lock is. I think they're gonna bust down that door anytime soon. I say we wait for a second, see how long it can hold. You know,
Yeah.
you think we can get in here? Yo, look,
W.
more space.
Helicopter.
Keys.
Oops.
Wait,
This reminds me of the time I almost got out of here.
Wait,
this
maintenance
guy
key?
in a
Yo,
chopper,
look.
he picked me up, right? And I'm hanging off a rope ladder, but I don't know that he's already been bitten. So he turns into a Freddy before I can even get into the cockpit, and ooh,
oh dang.
splash down. I crawl out,
The signal.
back home.
Bro, look at this.
Pretty funny, hey, buddy?
Bro. Yo, I'm kind of low on ammo, so
Bro, I'm the quite opposite. You've been wasting all your ammo.
yeah, I'm on 19.
Guess they open for
You
me.
just want to
Come here,
kill all
ammo,
of these.
ammo.
You just want to kill
Ammo!
all of them. Oh, thanks.
No ammo? Okay, whatever. Don't kill them. Don't waste
Hey, you want to try
ammo.
breaking the lock now?
Ammo, bro. There's a whole entire
there is?
buttload of ammo.
Oh, thanks.
Damn.
Dang, I needed that. I love
Get
you,
him,
bro.
boy.
I'm gonna get Buddy to kill them. Like, bro.
But why?
Crap.
Yo, come here. Should I? Hold up, wait.
No, not yet.
You stop,
not yet.
stop. I gotta dangle the dice. Hold up. So if I tap it and I get, if I spin
Ammo.
this, if I spin this and I get
Ammo.
a 3 or a 6, I'm opening the lock. Hold up.
Come on, buddy.
That's 6. That's 6. Holy,
Oh, you almost got me there.
Fred.
Big Fred.
Holy. Oh no. Holy.
Got you, I got you. I forgot, broski.
Okay, I got Big Fred. Oh, bear chow, bear chow, bear chow. If this is a checkpoint. If it is, I'm probably gonna end the video here. You go up and down and up and down and up and down and up.
I call that machete.
and down. You go up and down
machete.
and up.
Gotta follow
up
the
and
exit
down.
signs, bud.
Up and down and up and
Get 'em.
down. You go up and down, up and down. Oh my beautiful Evelissima.
Machete.
By the way, I have like a maintenance key or something. So I don't necessarily know what it's for. Hey, but it's a
Don't
key.
come back from that.
Hey, bro, I got a machete. Don't waste most of your ammo.
Oh thanks.
Because I know you're running low.
Not really.
Gosh.
Hey,
What?
buddy.
I like killing people.
Think you can move that Freddy for me?
Up and down and up and down. I said up.
Look at
And
that.
down,
What a
up.
team. Good dog. There we go.
You gotta realize the realism on this game and I'm personally on Quest 2. So the realism in this game is
now we got
insane.
power.
And he's on quest 3, so I don't even know how good it is for him.
It opened that door.
I've just gotta say,
I think it's just as good, pretty much.
some people underestimate the graphics in this game.
Check this, check this.
What? Can you open
I was
it?
about to say check.
Yo, what's
What
this?
do we have here?
We can make
craft.
I got enough
Molotov.
parts for this. Note to self, do not drink.
Oh, I don't have a lighter. Dang.
We don't need a lighter.
Wait, we don't need a lighter?
Yeah,
You sure?
Okay.
No.
I got enough parts for this.
Yeah.
Oh, have you watched videos on this game before?
No, I literally.
Dang, they got a lot of stuff. Up and down and up and down. Up. Ooh, bin. Okay, nothing. I'm ready for some action.
Come on. Wait, come here. Oh, where do we go?
I think I saw something that said boom,
Yeah,
so I'm
okay.
gonna make a
I
little
got enough
grenade
parts
for
for this.
myself, and I'm gonna say, hold up, airport security checks me.
Move it.
Boom, 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 chick, oh wow,
That'll do it. Okay.
boom, chick, oh wow,
On we go.
boom,
Buddy, attack.
boom, boom, chick, oh wow, wow.
Huh?
Ah, nuts!
You need help?
Good dog, buddy.
There we go.
No, my thing broke.
Security just ain't
Oh,
sane
checkpoint
without some
reached.
TSA guy pressing
Yeah,
my penis
I
with the back of
say,
his hand.
I'm gonna end the video here. We start it for him in the next episode. So go to Angel Zone VR for the next episode. Goodbye.